Every time when I think of you, Atima kuma fala. So who said me suje wawa? So me wo, what do you? And I do it in. You don't know your utopia, you don't wanna fake it. If you wanna have fun, come and buy a ticket. We will fly.
Hi, this is Gyakie and I'm here to face the fans on MX24. Yes, social media has been a part of my growth. Hard work from myself and my manager, God's blessings and the support from my fans. Omale is a good artist. I love how he plays around with his melodies and then his lyrics, and his team has been very supportive from the very beginning. And so we reached out to them, they sent back his vocals really quick, went back to Nigeria, shot the music video, and we had an amazing song.
And it goes like
Okay, so I think first of all, we shot the video for quite a couple of hours. We started in the morning, and because of there were a few on and offs, and so we finished around 3 a.m. thereabouts. So people got tired really early, we paused and then we come back. It was a stressful video, but at the end of the day, I'm sure everybody loves it. Wine is a tropical Jamaican dancehall feel. It's a song that's supposed to have you on your feet, song for parties, friends and families coming together. And so this is just one of the songs that you just use to have fun with people, right? I'm a very versatile artist. I'm one person that loves to hop on different genres, and I think my voice is also quite unique. I pray to God. I mean, I have a very tough skin. I've learned how to deal with critics and how to not let it get to me, and so.
All right, so for today, with this artist,
yeah,
I mean, no introduction will even do justice to her.
Is a lady?
Yeah.
Oh, finally.
She's an amazing singer.
Okay.
She has, I mean, I know a couple of artists in Ghana maybe might bag in some Grammys, but I can bet my life on this lady. She's actually going to win a Grammy one day.
Can we get an amen?
I said it first
Hallelujah.
on this show.
Can we get an amen?
She's actually going to win a Grammy. She's already topping the charts.
Hey.
Her name is Gyakie.
Ah, my crush! Literally, I'm not gonna lie.
Please.
Of all of us here, you couldn't crash on us.
Hey, come on, let's.
Or love
us.
Oh,
Drop it.
So, ladies and gentlemen, introduce to you Gyakie.
I can cook very well. Very, very well. I would love to play basketball, but people are telling me that I'm not good fit. But yes, basketball is one thing I want to learn how to play. I'm passionate about it. I actually want to build a lot of music schools around the world. I want to be able to be an inspiration to the younger ones. I want to be the person that people that are in the youth are looking up to, and I want to be the reason why a certain group of people actually make it in life. The fact that my music is an inspiration to people. A lot of times. A lot of times. His cologne. You don't have to smell bad. At the moment, no one. That they should keep following, because I'm actually going to not disappoint them any point in this life. Growing up, he was one person that influenced my love for music and entertainment, and so I would say he actually started me falling in love with the entire entertainment industry. Fufu with light soup, chicken, snail, crab, and then aponche.
My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, Atima kuma fala. So who say me suje wawa? So me mo, what do you? I'm not you anyone. You don't know your utopia, you don't wanna fake it. If you wanna have fun, come and buy your ticket.
Hi, this is Gyakie, and I just faced the fans on MX24. You know the vibes.